Hi! In front of me is Vivo V15 Pro, and today I would like to show you where you can access all your downloads. You need to begin by opening File Manager app. Now select Files section at the bottom right corner and click on Download category. As you can see, all my downloaded files are over here. If you want to access one, just click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!